Well, guys, I am at the range again, and it is a very cold one today. As you see, I'm all bundled up. But we got another Never Have I Ever, and this time I got a Walther P38 from Germany. And it's not the one that you guys think, you know. I know World War II P38 would be cool. This one was made in 1968, but we're gonna pop up a couple rounds and see how well it goes. I figured out the trick. You have to do it one-handed like the Germans did. That's cool shit, though.